evening, this is Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and tonight I'm going to be making Kung Pao Chicken. I have my chicken here. Actually, I do individually wrap my chicken because I buy them in bulk and then break them down. I have my green onion, we have sesame seed oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, some dry roasted nuts. I actually have garlic powder. I'm sad to say I bought fresh garlic this morning, but I cannot find it, and so in the light of being flexible, I'm using garlic powder, and it tastes just as good. Ginger, sugar, and actually red hot peppers, and I have those from a pizza place. So let's just go right over to the stove.
So now let's turn on our burner to medium heat. We're going to pour 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil into our pan and add 1 pound of chicken cut into 1-inch squares. We'll cook our chicken until all the pink is gone. This should take about 7 minutes depending on your stove.
I've already measured out the other ingredients. The measurements we need is 3/4 teaspoon of the ground ginger. They called for 3 cloves of garlic or 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a teaspoon of the crushed peppers. And you can do this to taste. So if you like it super hot, add more. If you don't like it spicy at all, don't add any. 3 teaspoons of green onions, 1/3 of a cup of the dry roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of the sugar mixed together. Those are our ingredients. So let's let this get cooking. Our chicken is almost ready. This step actually calls for another pan, but I use another bowl because I don't want another pan to clean. So my chicken has all the pink gone. It smells delicious with just the sesame seed oil. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to, don't spill it all over my stove top, scoop this in here. So I'm going to take my ginger, my garlic powder, and my peppers. I'm going to put them in here, and I'm going to take these onions and I'm just going to mix these into the oil that's at the bottom of this pan. So we're just really heating these ingredients a little bit. It says for 15 seconds, and I'm guessing that was 15 seconds, and we're gonna pour our chicken right back in. Now our peanuts go in.
Now it's time to mix your rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, and sugar in a small bowl. You can add up to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to yours to thicken the sauce. I personally like it better without it.
This Kung Pao chicken recipe took us less than a half hour, including cutting the vegetables, cooking the vegetables, all prepped, and it is ready to be served. And it is looking and smelling delicious.
Here's our finished dish. It looks and smells amazing. The full recipe is in the description of this video. Thank you for cooking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Enjoy your dinner.